Niigata City, a coastal gem nestled along the Sea of Japan. Today, we begin our journey at the iconic Next 21 building, located in the heart of Chūō Ward. As we step inside and ascend to the 19th floor observation deck, a breathtaking panorama unfolds before us. Descending from Next 21, we make our way toward the famous Dopperi-zaka, or Dopperi Slope. Continuing our journey, we head westward toward the coast, arriving at Sekiyahama Beach. This serene stretch of shoreline is a beloved escape for locals and visitors. The gentle waves, soft sand, and expansive horizon offer a peaceful retreat from the bustle of city life. Sekiyahama is not just a place to relax, it's a window into Niigata's maritime culture. This journey, from the heights of Next 21 to the tranquility of Sekiyahama, captures the essence of Niigata, a city where modern life harmonizes with nature and tradition. Whether you're here for sightseeing, cultural exploration, or simply to enjoy the view, Niigata welcomes you with open arms and unforgettable experiences.